Hello everyone, welcome to Slow Accent English. Today, we are going to practice English step by step with a natural and easy conversation. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and improve your English with confidence. If you enjoy this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English conversations and lessons. Let's begin.
Excuse me, is this the right bus for the city centre?
Yes, it is. You can take this bus to the city center.
Great, thank you. I'm new in this city, so I'm still a little confused.
No problem. I understand. My name is Sophie, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Sophie. I'm Daniel.
Nice to meet you too, Daniel. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. I arrived here 2 weeks ago for work.
Oh, that's exciting. Do you like the city so far?
Yes, I do. The city is beautiful and very lively, but sometimes it feels too busy.
That's true. There are always many people and cars here.
Exactly. In my hometown, life is much quieter.
I can imagine. What kind of work do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I work for a marketing company.
That sounds interesting. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I really do. I love creating designs and working on creative projects.
That's great. I work as a teacher in a language school.
Really? What languages do you teach?
I teach English and French.
Wow, that's impressive. I'm trying to improve my English these days.
Your English is actually very good.
Thank you. I still make mistakes sometimes.
That's completely normal. Practice makes progress.
You're right. I try to speak English every day.
That's the best way to improve.
Do you enjoy teaching?
Yes, I love it. I enjoy helping students become more confident.
I think being a teacher requires a lot of patience.
It does, but it's very rewarding too.
What do you usually do after work?
I usually read books, go for walks, or meet friends at a cafe. And you?
I like going to the gym, watching movies, and exploring the city.
Have you visited many places here already?
Not really. I visited the museum and a few restaurants, but that's all.
Then you should definitely visit the Old Town. It's one of the most beautiful places in the city.
Really? What can you see there?
There are small streets, local shops, cafes, and beautiful historic buildings.
That sounds amazing. I love places with history and culture.
Then you'll enjoy it for sure.
Maybe you can recommend a good cafe there?
Of course. There's a lovely cafe near the river. The coffee and desserts are excellent.
Perfect. I'll definitely try it this weekend.
You should. It's very relaxing there.
By the way, do you like traveling?
Yes, very much. I try to visit a new country every year.
That's wonderful. What's your favorite country so far?
I really loved Italy. The food, the people, and the atmosphere were incredible.
I've always wanted to visit Italy too.
You should go one day. I'm sure you would love it.
I hope so. Traveling is a great way to learn about cultures.
Absolutely. You also learn a lot about yourself.
That's true.
Oh, look, we're almost at the city center.
Great. Thank you for helping me and for the nice conversation.
You're welcome. It was really nice talking to you.
Maybe we'll meet again someday.
Maybe. Have a wonderful day, Daniel.
You too, Sophie. Goodbye.
Goodbye.